Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the glove box from a Mark 5 Volkswagen. Let's get started. There are 7 T20 Torx head fasteners that hold on the glove box. There are 3 which you could access with the glove box open, and 3 just underneath the door. Once these are removed, the last fastener is under a trim panel in front of the shifter. To remove this trim panel, carefully pry it out, starting at the center and working your way over to the edges until it unclips. Then remove the fastener. Next, you have to pop out the trim piece which is at the edge of the dash. Once again, gently pry it using a pry tool and it will pop out. Undo the retaining clip that holds onto the dash and slide the glove box to the outside of your car. Once it releases, you'll need to disconnect the 3 electrical connections that go to the glove box. Also, remove the air hose. Now the glove box is completely released and can be removed from your car. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you found it helpful. That's pretty much everything you need to know to remove your glove box from your Mark 5 Volkswagen. So if you're looking for more videos on Mark 5 Volkswagens, please feel free to subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, and leave any questions or comments you have below. Thanks for watching.